You know, it's actually night out here. My husband and I are waiting for our son to come home. We have a vacation planned, and I've done a lot of cooking. I'm tired, but then used this butterfly clip for the first time. It's one in a pack of six, and the rest are gifts. And I had to show off. I'm dog tired, so I read books for some idea. Michio Kaku, Quantum Supremacy, and then Leon Lederman. And so not a lot, but 4 or 5, 6 to 7 pages. And all the experiments are so tough. Someday I'm going to do the cathode ray tube experiment. And then glowing gases. I saw the phrase glowing gases, and I thought, how would oxygen and nitrogen glow? You all know I have prisms, and so let's move the location of the computer. All right. Okay. Get to see. Yeah. All right. This is good, but I think we'll have to try a closer view. All right. So this is. Just I haven't pumped air into the bottle yet. I tried getting off this thing, but it's not working, so there's no air in here. All right, in this bottle, and we'll see what spectrum comes out. I have to take this out. I have Sir Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, and it's pretty much an spectrum. Can you see here closer? But I'm not really yet showing my experiment. This is just basic stuff. There's a bit of water in it. So there's a pink and a pale blue light, and on the dispersing prism, and on the refracting prism. Uh, there's a reflection in there, or for some reason it's not showing. Maybe there's vacuum. There's some traces of water after all these days. So I'm going to pump the air in. Okay, let's see if the traces are also there. If they're escaping. All right, let's see. I'll do it again. And you'll have to make do with my observation, all right? So, because I can't take the camera any closer. And I'm getting, oh, a pink and white spectrum, more like a Maxwell, partial Maxwell spectrum, pink and white. All right, so that is on the refracting prism and on the dispersing prism. So they are glowing gases. Diffract, dispersing prism. There's a pink and a blue, or pink and a white, and pink and a blue. For a class project, you can think as to why the glowing gases with a refracting prism produce with the refracting prism produce pink and white lines, and the dispersing prism is right triangular, right? It's like a triangular pyramid, and they produce on one end blue and on the other pink. So is it oxygen and nitrogen, the combination, air being pumped out, or it's It's uh, the two of them separating out when the spectral lines are, passing through them. So that's a whole experiment, and which you can, you have to take my word for it. You may have seen a bit. I'll request YouTube to, excuse me, to um, see if editing would work and the whole spectrum close up can be shown, and that would help you out to convince your professors. All right, so it's a class project, but it's all summer now. University students are at home. Yeah, all right. School student, high school students are still at school. Anyways, signing out, Gayatri B. Sitaram. Thank you.